Hi friends! I missed being able to see you guys today, but I have some really exciting lessons planned for you. You guys are in wonderful shape because we will actually be continuing our Native American choice boards. So I know that if you were working on the longhouse, you cannot actually build your longhouse right now if that was the choice that you were making, but you can continue the research portion of your project. If you were working on the project at school that you feel like you really just can't continue, then you are welcome to choose something different from the choice board. All right, you also have the option to work on the original choice board, which is the one with the 4 projects. So you have your Longhouse one, the Constitution, forming your own government, or the meeting of the Iroquois Confederacy or U.S. Congress. You are welcome to choose a different one of those, continue working on what you are working on. If you are working in a group and you guys want to find a way to get together and collaborate on that project, I'm okay with that. But that does add a layer of, increased communication, increased planning on your part. So that is your option. Also have for our new friends the choice board that they have been working on linked right here. But if anybody would prefer to work on that choice board this week, you are welcome to. The projects are a little bit shorter, but there's more choices. So there's things, writing a short story about the Trail of Tears, researching a Native American recipe or dish, a short story about the life of a Native American child. There are several other things. There are a lot of other research links that you can use. So if you click down here, you also have everything that's available to you on ClassLink. Same thing with the other choice board. Lots of research links for you guys to use. So how do you find the information? Using all those different links and things on ClassLink. If there's information that you are really struggling to find, that's why I'm here. You can use the chat feature to let me know that you're having trouble with something. So how do you turn in your project? So you can choose to complete your project digitally. So you've got Google Slides, Google Docs, pretty much anything that you can think of, or you can use materials and paper at home and bring your final product to school when we come back. How long should you be working on this? So we are trying to make this as normal as a day as possible. So you come to Gifted for 45 minutes every day, so you should be working for 45 minutes a day. I would expect at least 2 projects to be completed by the end of the week, but you may end up being able to do more than that. Like I say in class, I don't typically require you to do a certain amount of things. I want to see a certain amount of information. So you know what it looks like to be working hard for 45 minutes, and I can tell when I look at your final product how much time and effort you've put into it. So this rubric is something you're familiar with, but you can look at it again when you finish a project. I want you to definitely look at the rubric and make sure that you have included all of these parts so you will be able to get your full credit. I hope to see all of you guys again next week. Please reach out if you have any questions about anything, again, through the chat feature on It's Learning, and I can't wait to see all of the fabulous work that you guys are doing. Bye!